Hello YouTubers, I'm back on the 64 Impala project. I was just going to make a little video of me welding this wheelhouse, quarter to wheelhouse brace. So I've got it set here where I need it. I think that's where I need it anyway. So I'm just going to do a little quick spot welding here. Put my gloves on. I'm using a Hobart welder, just a 110 welder, 110 volt, Hobart handler 140, which is 140 amps. And I use a 75-25 argon gas, which is a mixture of argon and CO2, I believe. Stuff here. So I'm going to try to tack this right here real quick. I'm using settings on the voltage number 2 and the wire speed around 30. Helmet on. Alright, here we go. If you can see that one there, let's zoom in. That was first tack there. Should be right there. So just tack it right there. Zoom back out here. Well, let me see if this camera will catch it right in there. Do a little tack above this screw. That one. Probably should put on my mask also. Breathing that stuff in. Alright, now we're going to do a tack to the wheelhouse. Zoom out. Whoop. How good y'all can see that. I'm going to tack it right here. More. Pull out this other screw. stuff on that one. It'll come out a little too much weld. One more. Oh. Quite clean that good enough to the metal there, but it looks like that got it. Alright, zoom out of here and pull this camera off and we'll look at those welds real quick. And that's what it looks like. I need a little bit more practice, but it didn't come out too bad right there. So that one's tacked on there. And this is the welder I'm using. It is, like I said, a Hobart, just a regular 110 volt wire feed welder. It's worked out great for me. I wished I would have got the 220, but for what I'm doing here, it works out great. And the tank that's hooked up to it, like I said, is 7525 argon and CO2, and I have the pressure set right at 20 CHF. I think it's cubic foot per hour. When I hit the trigger, it'll give me 20 there. So that's a little quick video of me tacking that. I also bought me a porta power this afternoon on the way from work. $100, and bought this at Arbor Freight, and I think it's going to work out for what I need to do. What I plan to do is, I think on that last video I had made, you know, this was not sticking out far enough. I plan to put it in here and stretch this out a little bit where I can weld that quarter panel on there, but I will make another video on that as I do that. So just a little quick video so I can upload it tonight. I'm fixing to open this garage door. It's really hot in here. It's about 100 degrees in here, and I'll be signing out now, so can't even think because it's so hot in here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see if I can make another video here later, and if not tonight, maybe tomorrow. Thanks again.